China's cyberspace regulator issued draft regulation to oversee the development online of digital humans, requiring clear labeling and banning services that could mislead children or fuel addiction. What are digital humans? Digital humans are AI-powered virtual representation of human beings that can interact, communicate, and perform tasks in a human-like manner. They are created using technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and computer graphics, and are increasingly used in areas like customer service, entertainment, education, and social interaction. These virtual entities can simulate speech, emotions, and behavior, making them appear realistic and interactive, which raises both opportunities and risks. Key provisions of China's draft regulation. The proposed rules lay down several safeguards to control misuse and ensure responsible development. Mandatory labeling. The rules require that all digital human content must be clearly labeled. This ensures that users are aware that they are interacting with an artificial entity and are not misled into believing it is a real human. Protection of minors. Digital humans are prohibited from offering virtual intimate relationship to individuals below the age of 18. This provision aims to prevent emotional dependency, addiction, and psychological harm among children. Data privacy and consent. The regulation prohibits the creation of digital humans using another person's personal information without their consent. This addresses concerns related to identify misuse and privacy violations, prevention of misuse and fraud. The use of digital humans to bypass identity verification system is banned. This is intended to prevent fraud and misuse of technology in illegal activities. Content regulation and national security. Digital humans are restricted from generating content that threatens national security, promotes succession, or undermines national unity. They must also avoid content that is sexually suggestive, violent, and discriminatory. Focus on user safety and well being. Platforms are encouraged to intervene and provide assistance when users show signs of self harm or suicidal behavior, indicating a focus on user safety and mental health. Rationale behind regulation. The regulation of digital humans is driven by multiple concerns. The increasing realism of AI generated human like entities can lead to misinformation, manipulation, and emotional exploitation, particularly among vulnerable users such as children. There are also concerns related to data privacy, identity theft, and ethical use of AI, especially when digital humans are created using real individuals' data. From a broader perspective, governments view digital humans as part of the digital economy and cyberspace governance, making their regulation important for national security, public order, and economic development.